Alright, welcome back. This is JD, and in the last video we went over the parts cupboard and the paint booth as the battery died. So now we got, the power supply. Have this plugged in here. Little USB, 4-port USB. It's powered all the time whether the computer's plugged into it or not. And I have one of them running to there so that it can be plugged in and run these 3 fans, 2 of which are blowing in to the 3D printer area and one is blowing into the power supply. And we have some of the tools, wrench for leveling the bed, and the 2 putty knives, I guess you could call them, for taking off the 3D prints. I have a little camera here, and it's not attached, but I have a 720p and a 1080p. Well, technically 4K. But yeah, the 3D printing booth, it's kind of neat. We have the brain box here, which you can't really see. Let's see if we can get a little light on the stitchigation there. Not much. Well, anyway, that's the brain box for the 3D printer. Let's take a little peek from the outside with it lit up. Alright, so that's the inside. Nice little light bar. And this just sits up here, covering the top of the filament so it doesn't get dusty. And I have the hot end and extruder. And there's my ventilation system coming in up there. Goes down over to the back, right by the hot end. Now let's take her out. Oh, drop the camera. There we go. And there is printer in full view, or almost full view. New tape on the board, and I'll be monkeying with this here in a little bit. I don't know if you can see it there, but I have an extra little fan. Hooks up to my old cell phone and plugs into the wall. Alright, so that's the 3D printer. This is little lipo safe. This is my battery box, or my charging station. Just gonna back out here. See, this little homemade thing out of foam, nothing special. Held shut by magnets. And here we have a generic IMAX B6 charger right there. A Turnigy 50 watt 6 amp AccuCell 6 charger. I have a nickel metal hydride AA battery charger there, one for 7.2 volt nickel metal. In the middle there is a nickel zinc charger, 1.6 volt rechargeables. And there's the power supply for the Turnigy. Some other miscellaneous cords down there. Manuals in those little slots. And my batteries in an old ammo box. I'm gonna figure out something different though, because I don't like how one battery goes. Odds are all of them are gonna go. Alright, that's it for here. Don't mind the dirty dishes.